In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste in Google Gemini. This is a simple yet essential skill that can save you a lot of time. Whether you're working on a project, compiling notes, or simply trying to manage your digital tasks more efficiently, let's dive right in and explore the two main methods you can use to copy and paste here. First, let's start with a method that many of you might already be familiar with, but is worth revisiting for its efficiency. To begin, you'll need to highlight the text you wish to copy. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text that interests you, making sure every bit of it is selected. Once you've highlighted the desired content, the next step is to use your keyboard. Simply press the Ctrl key and the C key at the same time. This is the universal command to copy text, not just in Google Gemini, but across most platforms and applications. You'll know when you've done this correctly because your selected text will remain highlighted, indicating it's ready to be pasted elsewhere. Now that you've copied your text, let's talk about pasting it. The beauty of copying something is that it can be pasted anywhere that allows for text input. Navigate to the location where you want to paste the copied content. This could be a text document, an email, or basically any place where you can type. Once there, press the Ctrl key and the V key simultaneously on your keyboard and watch as your copied text appears before your eyes. It's as simple as that. Moving on to the second method, Google Gemini has an even more straightforward option for copying text, catering to those who prefer point-and-click actions. When you find text you want to copy while using Gemini, look for the Copy Prompt button. This button is typically located somewhere near the text. Once you click it, the text is automatically copied, meaning you skip the highlighting step entirely. It's a neat feature that Google has integrated to streamline the process further. Once you've clicked the Copy Prompt button, the pasting process remains unchanged. Go to the location where you want to deposit your copied text. Click to place your cursor there, and just like before, press Ctrl and V. You'll see your text materialize exactly where you want it. These strategies are tailored to enhance your Google Gemini experience, simplifying tasks that might otherwise consume more time and concentration. Utilizing these methods effectively can make your digital work more fluid and less tedious. So go ahead and practice these steps. Before you know it, you'll be copying and pasting like a pro, both in Google Gemini and in other applications you might use. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Enjoy your newfound product.